Hi guys, I'm Manpreet and I make book related videos on this channel. If you like books, make sure you subscribe and follow me on our social media. Guys, if you watched my live show, you would know that I was going to do a book haul, and today's video is a book haul. I have got 7 books. The box is empty, by the way. 5 of them I bought myself. One of them was sent to me by Paperboat, and one of them was sent to me for review. So if you want to see which are the books which I got, which I'll be reading in this month, then keep watching this video. Book number 1 is the one sent to me for review by a US-based author, and it's by Patrice M. Foster, and it's Molding My Destiny. Now this book is a memoir or whatever you call it. It's a story of the author. She explains how she grew and how she fought all the odds and became a successful person. Now this book is very much focused on fighting mental illnesses, because this is what the author actually writes about. She writes about mental illnesses, and I told you in one of my videos that mental illness is a thing which is very close to my heart, very close to my life, and I'll probably share why someday. But that's why I was like, I just cannot miss this book, because I so need to read more books about mental illnesses. That just didn't come out right, but yes, I'm so excited to read this book. This was like, I wanted something, and manifestation, the law of attraction, brought something to me. This book. If what I said in the last just bounced over your head, then make sure you watch my review of The Power. If I have done it already, I'll link it down below. Otherwise, I'll link it later, okay? The second book which Paperboat sent me is by Anand Suspi. Now, a lot of you guys asked me how to get books sent to me. Now this book was sent to me as a part of PR blogger activity, blogger outreach activity, because I'm a blogger also. So they just keep sending books. They also send me that The Jungle Book by Rudyard Kipling, so that I could share it with my followers, and you would just know about Paperboat as a company. So that's why they sent it to me. I really do not have much idea about what the book is about. I know there are some very compelling, very nice stories, and the blog says, after Malgudi days, I could never imagine that somebody could create another childhood classic for adults to regain their innocence even for a few hours. So Space Tale would have made R.K. Narayan smile. And the blurb is by R. Balki, a filmmaker. Now this is a non-fiction book, and I'm so excited to read it, and the moment I know more about it, I'll tell you. Make sure you subscribe to my channel if you really want to know. The next book that I bought is something which a lot of you I know will say that, Manpreet, why the hell did you buy this author? But I had to buy it because I wanted to review this book because of some business purposes, okay? It's not going to be a paid review, but I need to review this book, okay? And that is One Indian Girl by Chetan Bhagat. Now a lot of you even asked me if I like Chetan Bhagat. I like Chetan Bhagat as an author, but I don't like his books because I feel like they are very shallow and very repetitive, because I've read all his books almost. But still, this was a new release. This is like the best selling of the year 2016, and it's a book where Chetan Bhagat talks from a woman's perspective, and people say that it has a very fake sense of feminism in it. I wanted to know what it really is like, so that's why I'm reading this book. The next book, it's the one I'm so excited about, I cannot even tell you, and that is The Spy by Paulo Coelho. I finally bought it, and Paulo Coelho is one of my favorite authors, and the back cover. Should I kiss him? But no, I respect him a lot. I will not kiss him. He's like a guru to me. So this is a book. I won't tell you what it's about, because guys, sometimes I shop without knowing what this book is about, okay? Because it's the Paulo Coelho. One thing I really loved about this book is it's very short. I can read it in a day. It's so amazing. My review is coming up soon. Next book is the one which I completely forgot that I ordered it, but a lot of you really wanted me to order it, and that is Black Suit Hue by Navneel Chakrabarti. Now I haven't read this author before. I do have his Marry Me Stranger, or whatever the first book is in the Stranger trilogy, but he's a really popular Indian author, and this book is about an author who is like who wrote a very good trilogy, and he's getting famous, and then everybody falls in love with him, and suddenly there is this woman who goes too close, and then he has a very dark love affair. Basically this author writes thrillers, so this is going to be a thriller. That's what I got from the back cover, but what exactly the story is about, we'll know soon. The next book is again by an Indian author, and this is like the case study of an author who as an independent author was able to sell more than 100,000 copies, and that is Everyone Has a Story by Savi Sharma. I already told that I bought this book. Now it's with Westland, but it was published as a self-published book before it became a bestseller. And I am really excited to read this book because, first of all, I want to know that how this story is selling, why this story is selling. And this is a story about four people, and how their lives get interconnected. And I think I have told about the story a lot many times, and I just feel like my haul is getting repetitive because these are all the books which I covered in my top Indian books of 2016 video, which nobody liked. But yes, I'm so excited to read this book. And the last book in this book haul is again a bestseller in India, but not by an Indian author, and that is a self-help book, How to Win Friends and Influence People by Dale Carnegie. This is like the bestseller in India, and the book in the back cover says that it can help you increase your popularity, which I certainly want from this channel. Pardon me for being so greedy. Help you win people to your way of thinking, enable you to win new clients and new customers, which is good for my new business I'm working on. Increase your earning power. Everybody wants money. Make you better salesperson, which I really want, and a lot of other things. And I have heard great things about this book, and I am just like, I need to read this book right now. Let me read it because the haul is over. Okay guys, these are the books that I got in this book haul for February, and I am so excited to read all of those books except this one. I would not lie, I do not really know what this book is about, but I'll read it. But I love these all books, and let's see if I love them after reading them as well. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this video, do hit thumbs up and make sure you subscribe and share this video with your friends. Thank you so much for watching. This is Manvi signing off.